What's up? Can a low come up in your crib?
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.
There's a lot of buzz around tools that claim to help you create talking photos, lifelike animations, and avatars, all for free. But let's be honest, when you actually try them out, you quickly realize there's a catch. Watermarks cluttering your visuals, credits that run out before you've even begun, or worse, hidden monthly
Got rid of
fees.
that old yee-yee ass haircut you got, you get some bitches on your dick. Oh, better yet, maybe Tanisha will call your dog ass if she ever stop fucking with that brain surgeon, the lawyer she fucking with. Nigga.
What?
It's disappointing and feels like you've been misled, right? I've been there, and I've had enough of those empty promises. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to Talking Photos, a revolutionary tool that delivers on its promises without any of the usual gimmicks. No, it's not free, but here's the best part. There's no monthly subscription, and it won't drain your wallet. It's a one-time purchase for unlimited creative freedom. Sounds refreshing, doesn't it? Let's dive in. The demo you just watched was created using Talking Photos, and trust me, it's a game changer. If you've struggled with other platforms that nickel and dime you every month, you're going to love what Talking Photos brings to the table. Here's why it stands out. Talking Photos allows you to turn any static image into a dynamic talking video that's as lifelike as it gets. We're talking perfect lip sync, expressive facial movements, and the ability to create content in multiple languages, all without the dreaded watermark or usage limits. Imagine taking a cherished photo and making it talk, sing, or share a story in a way that feels real. The AI behind Talking Photos ensures that every movement, from the lips to the eyebrows, matches the speech perfectly, bringing your images to life in ways you've never seen before. And it's not just about talking photos. You can also customize backgrounds, integrate these lifelike images into other video projects, and download everything in stunning full HD. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone who loves making creative videos, Talking Photos offers you all the tools you need without the ongoing costs. So, if you're tired of the so-called free tools that always seem to have a catch, it's time to try something that truly delivers. Talking Photos gives you the power to create realistic, expressive videos from your photos with no subscriptions, no watermarks, and no limits. Let's see what you can create with Talking Photos. It's time to bring your images to life like never before.
All right, morons, grab a pen and take some damn notes. This isn't a kiddie workshop on how to write. You're here because you want to learn how to write scripts that hit. And trust me, you're gonna need every scrap of advice I give you, so stop pretending you know it all. Step 1. Don't bore them with basic intros. You need to hit harder than a surprise, we need to talk text. Start with something bold, like, ever feel like life's just one big dick joke but you're the punchline? Yeah, that'll hook 'em. Trust me. Keep it tight. No long, limp sentences dragging the vibe down. Think snappy, think hard-hitting. Pun absolutely intended. Every word should be essential. Fluff is for pillows, not scripts. And hey, don't be afraid to throw in a joke that straddles the line. Just make sure it's got girth to back it up. So remember, your script's job is to keep them engaged. Make them laugh, make them gasp, hell, make them spit out their drink. Because at the end of the day, if they're not replaying that one line over and over, you didn't push it far enough. Now go on, put that big energy into your next script and watch them come crawling back for more.